the order.
A lot.
So then we'll adjourn it. I'll just see when, I don't know the availability, and I'll have to find out. It will have to come back to the same bench. Unless you want to argue again, फिर हम fresh कर देंगे. मतलब time बचे थोड़ा.
Why?
हाँ.
I'm ready for both courses, sir.
नहीं, अगर आपके interim मसले हल हो गए हैं ना, तो our anxiety was that. And the other matters are important matters, so they need a good detailed judgment. So we are, that is what I at least would want from it.
Okay.
So the better the assistance provided, hopefully the better the order will be.
I'll do my best, sir.
We'll also do it.
Sabaj is always excellent. Inshallah we'll do.
चलें जी, next call करें.
इस रमज़ान हर कोको कोला के बदले हम करेंगे एक मील डोनेट आपकी तरफ से किसी मुस्तहक को. बाय वन टू डोनेट वन. जहां दिल मिले वहां कोको कोला.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty, distinguished guests, and the brilliant minds of IIT Madras, a very good evening to you all. Today, we are honored to welcome a leader of remarkable distinction, the President of Tamil Nadu unit of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Thiru K. Annamalai. Thiru Annamalai is the youngest president of the BJP in its history, taking charge of the position at the age of 37. Before taking the helm of the BJP in Tamil Nadu, Annamalai had a distinguished career in the Indian Police Service in Karnataka, marked by a commitment to public service and a proactive approach to law enforcement, because of which he was popularly regarded as Karnataka's Singham, symbolizing his courage, integrity, and dedication towards justice. His transition from a career in law enforcement to politics marked a significant shift, bringing a fresh perspective and a dynamic leadership to the political arena. As the president of Tamil Nadu BJP, Thiru K. Annamalai has actively contributed to shaping the party's strategies and outreach in the state, even with his recent ongoing Padayatra called Yen Man, Yen Makkal, which literally translates to My Land, My People, thus reflecting a commitment to addressing the problems and difficulties of the common people. Today, we have the privilege of gaining insights from a leader who has not only served in the police force with a distinction, but has also taken on the responsibility of steering the BJP in Tamil Nadu. Let us extend a warm IIT Madras welcome to Thiru K. Annamalai, and eager to hear his thoughts on the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead of our great nation. I now request the Director of IIT Madras, Professor V. Kamakoti, and the Dean of Students, Professor Satyanarayana Gummadi, to facilitate Thiru K. Annamalai with an Angavastram. Thank you, sir. And without any more delay, let us now welcome Tamil Nadu BJP President Thiru K. Annamalai to the podium with a huge round of applause. I also invite the interviewers, Sumit Deshmukh, and Asha to the stage.
It's so very nice to have you with all of us today, and I think without much further ado, we'll just get started into the chat. So with that nice introduction of Ishan, we get a sense of how interesting the trajectory of your life's been. But we would still like to hear it from your own voice. So can you like share a brief overview of your journey growing up, from Thottampatti to becoming the state BJP president of Tamil Nadu?
Thank you so much to both of you and friends who are here. And IIT Madras is an iconic institution in our country, and possibly the next 25 years, I'm very sure it is going to play a greater role than what it has played over the time before 2022. So you'll have a very important role in the next 25 years in shaping up the country's growth. So I'm very excited that students sitting in this auditorium, you will be championing India's cause 2047 when you talk about Vikshit Bharat. And some of you have to create global companies sitting here, and some of you have to create employments to lakhs of people, solve India's problem, put India's map in the global sphere. So I'm very happy that today our discussion, probably from my field, policing for a little bit of time, and politics for a lot of time, and probably the future vision that we as a party have, and probably me as a person have. So that I think might contribute maybe 0.5%, 1% to you are thinking about politics and the future of India's growth, and how as a political party we are looking at the next 25 years. So I'm very glad I got this opportunity to share some of our insights and thoughts with you. At the same time, I know that you are truly brilliant guys. You can pick up anything at a pace that is unequal, unrivaled, and that has brought you to IIT Madras. You can just pick it up, whatever we say, and probably you will add your own thinking to it. So whatever we discuss, I'm sure it will help me, help you, and help others to reassess, reprioritize. And probably it is an opportunity for me also to remove some of the negative thoughts, or probably some of the negative things people might have against our party and against me or against some other person also. That is also I'm using this forum as an opportunity. Now, talk about myself, I thought I'll talk more about the country, more about the economy, more about politics, and I'll take very little time to describe me as a person. So I was born in a small village in Karur district called Thottampatti. We have about 32 houses there. So the first generation guy in my family, me and my sister, both of us got into degree, both of us the first generation. Then it's a very small village, 32 villages, you can just imagine. And from there, typical school, then two choices in front of me, either take an engineering or take medicine. I thought probably I'm not good enough to do medicine. You have to study more, so I chose engineering. So just to cut the long story short, maybe till the age of 21, 22, I never had any plan in life. I just allowed that the life is taking me. So since I chose engineering, I landed up in Coimbatore, PFG College of Technology. I got into a 5-year engineering course, and which probably the second and third year is very important to me, because that is when I realized I never wanted to be an engineer after getting into engineering. I'm not sure how many of you sitting in this hall realize. But what to do? Second and third year you realize you are not cut out for the engineering world. Then I thought, at that point of time, it's very rare when in 2002, when I entered engineering, 2007 I passed out, I took a break year. So many of you guys might take a break here also. It is unthought of. We people never encourage people to take a break here. The two person of my background, I took a break here for a year. Just wanted to realize where I wanted to go. I thought my education is incomplete. Let me do something, probably an MBA, general MBA, understand nuances. Then I can figure out what I want in life. Wrote CAT, got into IIM Lucknow. So did 2 years of my MBA there.